Leftover chicken can be a great ingredient for baby-led weaning recipes. One idea is to make a chicken burger that's easy for little hand to hold and chew. We love buying rotisserie chicken. Here's a simple recipe you can try. Leftover chicken. Shredded or chopped. In a bowl, mix mayo, parmesan and chopped basil. Add salt and pepper. Add breadcrumbs. Add 2 eggs. Mixed well. Mix in the chicken and let it chill for 30 minutes. Form the mixture into small patties. Make sure the chicken is fine, shredded or chopped so that it is easy for baby to chew and swallow. You can also use food processor to finely chop the chicken if needed. You can also add finely chopped vegetables such as carrots to add some nutrition and flavor. Scoop them and dip in breadcrumbs, then flatten after. Make the patties smaller or flatten them out more to make them easier to handle. Chill to retain shape. Fry to low to medium heat. Let it cool slightly before serving.
Where is it? Good snack. Me? Great snack. Yummy. You love it?
Thank you for watching.
Chill a bit to retain shape, then fry over medium heat. Let it cool slightly before serving to little one.